Live from Locust Street Signs and Banners, conveniently not located on Locust Street anymore, here's the star of our show, Hiram of Westfield.
You know, Jim, we've sold things that slice and dice and bake and cook, but we've never sold anything quite like this. It's the new carbon-based writing utensil.
Wow, how does it work?
Wow is right, Jim. Take a look at this real-world problem.
Deb, this printer is out of ink again. We're never going to get anything done around here.
No problem, Sherry. I just bought this carbon-based writing tool from Ronco. Let me show you how it works. It's easy. You just take a piece of parchment, Ronco's carbon-based writing tool, and apply pressure.
Dear Sir. Wow, that's amazing.
Not only that, turn it over and it has a backspace key.
How much are they?
Jim, how much would you pay for a special tool like this? Would you pay $29.95? $39.95? Even $49.95? No! Here at the sign shop, if you act before midnight, and including our rainy day special, you'll be able to get this for $19.95. Plus shipping and handling, of course.
Well, I've got a lot of friends that really like them for Christmas.
That's why I came up with this new bulk pack, Jim. It's a pack of 20. You can buy it all at once and save on shipping and handling. Just $219.95.
Are they available in Carmel?
$500 a piece.
Wow, that's so cool. Are there any accessories?
Why, sure, Jim. Here at Ronco, we come with a full line of accessories. Check out this refurbishing system.
Oh, no, I broke the writing tool.
Here, watch this. It'll be as good as new shortly.
That's just like making sausage. Wow.
Let's throw it down to Jim with one of our audience members.
Does it come in colors?
Yeah, they come in colors, but we're black and white.
Hiram, we have another question.
Yes, does it come in different sizes?
Oh, yes, we do. The new stubby carbon-based writing utensil. Made for people with little stubby fingers just like you.
Hiram's magical carbon-based writing utensil. It's just $19.95. Act now before the big rush.
You know, at Ronco, we do a lot of special things.
You know, Jim, coming up shortly, we've got an improvement on our carbon-based writing utensil. I like to call it a Sharpie.
A Sharpie?
Doesn't come with a backspace key, and it lasts forever. Here, let me show you on your forehead, baby.
Now be careful with that. You're going to poke an eye out. Or another eye out.